In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an entire Trello board for reuse, which is a handy way to preserve your templates, projects, or any specific setup you want to replicate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to clone a board complete with all its lists, cards, and structure. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account, then navigate to the board that you want to copy. This is the board containing all the lists and cards that you want to reuse. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a set of 3 horizontal dots. This is your menu for more options related to the board. Click on these 3 dots to open up additional board settings. Once the menu is open, you'll see an option labeled Copy Board. Select this option, and you'll be prompted to create a title for your new board. It's important to choose a name that clearly indicates the purpose or content of this copied board, especially if you are planning to have multiple versions of the same board. After you've named your new board, you'll need to select where this board will be located. Look for the Trello workspace option that appears. That's your destination for this board. If you're managing multiple teams or projects, make sure you choose the correct workspace to ensure that everyone who needs access will have it. Now, before you finalize the copying process, there's one more step. You'll see some checkboxes that allow you to choose whether to keep all the cards from the original board and whether you'd like to include any template cards you'd previously set up. These options are really useful if your board has specific cards you use repeatedly in different projects. Check these boxes according to what you need. If you're focused on preserving only the structure and not the content, leave these unchecked. Once that's all sorted out, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on Create. With that, Trello will begin working its magic, creating a full copy of your board according to the specifications you've set. And there you have it. You've just learned how to copy an entire board for reuse in Trello. This method ensures that you maintain the integrity of your original board while allowing you flexibility to adjust and evolve the copied version as needed. Whether you are planning for a different project, tweaking a template, or setting up standardized processes across teams, this feature keeps your workflow neat and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.